Alright guys, update on Big Blue. I put the stocks back on for now because I think I need to remove the wheel wells then, because it rubs too much. Then see what we'll do there. And then I'm gonna have to take off these rear fenders and repair them. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna get the narrow rear end so the 22s will tuck, or just widen these out a little bit. Then also I decided I'm gonna rig this one up, but it's got a big hole right there in the middle, so I haven't decided yet if just get a new bed floor or just buy diamond plate. Just set the welding machine up front, then diamond plate all the rust, cut out the rust and put diamond plate, but we'll see. Alright guys, so the wheel wells are out. As you can see, that's where it was scraping. We're gonna have to get some bigger ones. Now time to take off the wheels from the tow truck. Alright guys, so it's sitting on the ground now. So you can see there's more clearance because the wheel well went right here. I don't know yet if I'm gonna have to roll the inner fender and maybe cut right here, depending on the suspension travel. Same thing over here. Then I'll probably buy a kit. They sell a kit that you cut out right here, and then it got the wheel well. If not, I got some slosh tubs in there. Then I still gotta buy the brakes for it because currently has no brakes, because who needs brakes? The original one's locked up, so I haven't bought those. And that's how much it rubbed barely traveling, so imagine while driving and hitting bumps, it would have been worse. Next up, gonna take off the rear fenders. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to take the rear fenders out now because the wheels stick out too wide. So like I said, I haven't decided if I'm gonna widen them or buy the rear end that's narrower. So hopefully these aren't too rusty. We'll see how it goes. So to those of you that are curious how to take these off, these rear fenders, you take off this fiberglass piece first. Once you take that piece off, up on top inside of the bed, you can reach it because it's kind of narrow. It's going to be kind of tight. It's got bolts all down there. Then it's got the bracket. Same on the other side. Alright guys, so the fenders are finally off. I wasn't so lucky, maybe y'all will. But I guess since the inside is so rusty on the screw, what it was doing, it was turning the whole thing. So whenever it did that, what I have to do is work my way back and forth so I can slowly push the fender out. But if you're lucky enough that it'll just take the nut off, you can just take off one by one, then just take it all off completely. I mean, this one could probably still be repaired. Just gotta mold this back. But this one I'm not too sure. So I don't know what they had going on over here. They lost a big chunk of it right there. And I guess they try to mold it back. But as you can see, they didn't do too good. So I'll try to see if I could get a template off this one and try to copy it. If not, try to find some used fenders or buy some wider ones, since the 22s took a little more than stocks. And then for the floor, since it's super rusty, like I said, I don't know yet if I'm gonna buy me another floor or just get diamond plate and redo the whole floor, because I plan on putting the welding machine right here. So if I'm gonna buy a new floor and cut it up, there ain't no point in it. But okay, stay tuned, see what happens with Big Blue.